Christmas has come early for me. I'm going jet skiing.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Going out with On Water Training at Hartlepool Marina. Adam is our guide and trainer, and after a brief introduction it was time to get onto the jet skis. Then after a little bit of practice we could head around to the loch to go out to sea. I was joined by Alan from Scotland, Chris from Leicestershire. I normally don't see the loch from this angle. I see all the workings on the lock gates themselves. After practicing and running around buoys, etc., we went out to sea, around about 1.5 miles offshore, where we spotted a small dolphin before running back to shore.
Modest tranquility. Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
Wow, on that run I saw over 56 knots. That was quick, especially on water. The large yachts had priority in the yacht, so Adam said, right, let's go have a look around the harbour a bit, taking a cut that we would never do on a boat, and then have a spin around one of the rock islands.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Whoa, oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. We've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster.
So thank you, Janet, for that present, and thank you to Adam for taking us out.
Okay. Your turn next.